No, you know that's not true.
Really?
Really? You're going to get here honest, and then you're going to lie about that, Andy. Really?
Really?
You're going to sit
No,
in
no.
my
The
face
thing
and
is when I woke up and
Because
I'm
that's
smelling
what you
gas.
do.
I'm smelling gas.
Where was I?
You were at Work Source
Yeah,
trying
and
to
I
find a
haven't
job
worked in
after 11 years.
13
You
years.
didn't work.
13.
13.
I worked for 6 months. Yeah,
I was wrong
strung
there.
out. I was strung out. So were you.
Absolutely, we were strung
So it
out.
wasn't 11 years, it was 13.
13.
Yeah, well, check
My
it out.
bad.
How did I ruin your life? Because I met you in drug treatment. Remember? I met you in drug treatment. And who wanted to go get the dope first?
I did. And the thing was,
And then now
I told
I'm
you,
a bad person?
No, you're a bad person for all the that happened behind my back.
Oh, and what happened behind your back?
Behind my back?
How was I ever?
were
you hiding phones?
I was never behind his back. You know I wasn't holding
Well, listen,
no
when he
phone.
was down in the basement, let me just check.
And, no, that's not how it went. We were
Let me
in a
check.
room beside Ron's room. We weren't in the basement
But
yet.
were you with Ron when you were in a relationship with him?
No, I thought Ron and him were friends. I thought they were good friends.
I thought so too.
Oh, really?